First question is Changvo. Can you say in English?
Yes.
What is that?
Rice beating.
Good. Okay, next. Chilamyalchi.
Somebody is one of ghost member.
Oh. Then. Crocodile. Sorry. Ole.
Yes. Crocodile.
Let me go. What?
I thought is butt sucking.
And Benjamin, what is archer in English?
Hen boy.
Let me go. Bacha.
That's all. Butt E.
Oh, bat deer. Chính Phùng. Benjamin.
Three name.
Okay. Let me go Kielcha.
That's all is one of God D.
Okay, good. And Kiel Ngoi.
Kiel ngôi.
Yeah.
Kiel ngôi is got set.
And let me go. Rin. And go.
Go.
What is go?
Go is chicken.
Benjamin Van Liang.
Skyfly.
Skyfly, good. Dòng Tha. Say Dòng Tha in English.
So like is monkey moon.
Monkey Moon. And boarding.
Building is
Board stem.
Bolston.
Board stem is it?
Yes.
Now. Kiangko.
Okay. Leg skin coming out.
Oh. And Nilha.
That's day bye.
Oh, okay. Jinka.
Tomorrow for what?
Tell me what is vocha in English?
Beating tea.
Bongsa.
One. Bongsa is cow hot.
Cow hot. And boilal. Boilal say in English.
Charles say story.
Child sing story.
Yes.
Let me go. Waterfall.
Waterfall. Tui. Kiliala.
No.
Waterfall. Tui kile tha hai.
Yes. Clear.
Tui. Kitangha.
Tangla. And ngagul. Benjamin ngagul.
Fish good. Fish
Good. What is ngavo in English?
One fish beating.
Nganal.
Fish sleeping. Fish slippery.
Okay. Ngakha.
Fish bitter.
And mitha.
Ice itching.
Ice itching. And lungmul.
Mine hair.
Okay. Mine here. Donho. Say what is donho in English?
Drink village.
Chiang Mai. Say
Think face.
getting fish. And begul.
Peace snack.
Kani.
Kani.
What is kani in English?
Cry day.
Milay.
Keritang.
Korzu.
Mountain wine.
No. Kolbu.
Mountain fruit.
Leng thai. What is leng thai in English?
Flying fruit.
Flying fruit. Hai thai.
High tea means
Say in English.
stop fruit.
Store fruit.
Yes.
Okay. Ngami go. Say nanuto in English. Nanuto in English.
Your mother what?
Zummo.
Jumo.
Say in English. Say zummo. What is in English?
Salpinga.
Salping wrong. Sugar daddy.
Sugar daddy. Sugar daddy is
What is sugar daddy in?
Ginny Hepa.
Van gum.
Bangam.
Leg skin coming out.
Oh. Nilha.
That's day goodbye.
Okay. Jingka.
Tomorrow for what?
Sky forest.
Lampi.
P. Road grandmother.
Tauna.
Sting pen.
Lukhop.
Head satisfied.
Punsil. Say what is punsil in?
Cloth watching. Batting.
Okay. Kangkal. What is kangkal in English?
White climbing.
Lungsit.
Mine bro.
Like, share and subscribe our channel.